Sorry. Hi guys, doing? My name is Nick, and today I'm going to be doing a lather review of Arko shaving soap. I'm going to tell you this right now. The smell that is in this bathroom right now, because this soap is very nice. A lot of people have a problem with this soap, but I really enjoy it. So as you can see here, I have it blooming in this little bowl that it came with. I'm just going to try and pour all that out. And over here, I don't know if you see, you can't see. I have my brush in a bowl right here, soaking. So we're just going to take that brush out, squeeze it out, and we're going to get right into the lather. So yeah. It smells really good. I really enjoy this scent. I can already see that this is going to lather really well. Now, I got this soap for $7 on Amazon, but you can probably find it somewhere cheaper. You can also probably find it somewhere more expensive. So I'm not sure. Yeah, this is going to be nice, I think. Okay, brushes were nice and loaded. I'm going to dip it in this water over here. Just a little bit. Get my hand a little bit wet to make my face. And then let's start laughing. Yeah, this is gonna be good. You can see that the peaks inside here are just coming off very nicely. It feels really nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at all that soap that's left for a cleanup pass. That's really nice. Whoops, my camera fell over. God darn it. Hold on, gotta fix it. Oh, damn suction cups. Alright, but I think that's about it. That's as good as it's gonna get, I would say. And slickness wise, and this is just really slick. Let me see if I can't. I'm gonna actually shave myself, but oh yeah, the slickness will still be there. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's still slick, even after I clean it off of myself. Slickness is still there, so yeah, this is gonna be a good soap. So the next kind of video you'll see is the shave review of this wonderful soap.